Hello friends, myself Rajan Sagar from Kendriya Vidyalaya Nabha. Today our topic is poster writing. So first of all, we would see what a poster is. In fact, a poster is a placard displayed in a public place announcing or advertising something. Posters are notices, advertisements and invitations, all in one. So dear friends, there are certain rules upon which a poster writing is dependent. So in fact there are very few rules. So I would try to explain in detail which are those rules which make a poster writing very effective, very suitable, very attractive. So the first and foremost point is it should be colorful, attractive, catchy and tempting, because it appeals to our senses. Whatever is colorful, it appeals to every generation. It appeals even to a child, even to an adult, even to an old age person. So next is it should highlight only the important points. So you see, if we put all the details in a poster, I think it will be very confusing indeed. So only the main points should be highlighted in a poster. That is a very attractive poster. Next point is to use the letters of different shapes and sizes in a poster writing. The logic, the reason behind it, same, to create for the creativity, for the attractiveness, for the catchy purpose, so that it appeals to our eyes, it appeals to our senses. So next, whenever we are writing a poster, care should be taken to use of slogan or short verse if needed. Actually, slogan can be used at many places. I want to tell you that if we write 150 words or 100 words or 150 words, in that place a slogan is worth. In that place a short verse is worth. And it also appeals to our senses. It also appeals to our intellect, to appeal to every human beings. Next point is the title should be very, very attractive, very, very catchy, so that the person should be forced to see the poster again and again whenever they pass that way. I think you must have seen, you must have come across that some businessmen choose the name of their enterprises very catchy. Actually it matters a lot. So think on that point also. So next, last but not the least, there should be simple drawings, sketches in a poster writing, because the drawing also, again the same point, drawings or sketches appeal to our senses. They appeal to every human being irrespective of their age, caste, gender, etc. And also there should be proportionate spacing between the alphabets or between the lines. So that's all. So I think I have explained the main points that are needed to write, to frame, to prepare a very effective poster. So today I have a poster on a regular exercise. So look at it. Take regular exercise. So dear friends, you will see whatever the writer has, whatever the person who has prepared this poster has highlighted the main points, so it should be included in that. So I think that's all for this topic, that is poster writing. So I think I have explained the main